Alright, so let's get into it. Some of the basics that you need to know or anyone needs to know before going into trigonometry, right? So, first things first, one rule that you have to remember always is a straight line is basically a 180 degree angle. If you make it into a circle, then 180 is below as well, so the whole thing is 360. A circle has a 360 degree angle, we already know that. So a straight line is a 180 degree angle. So if, for example, you have a question somewhat like this, and this angle is given to you, let's suppose 30. So we will automatically know that this angle will be 150, because 30 plus 180 minus 30 gives you 150, so 150 would be this angle. So this is one of the basic rules that you do need to know. Except for this, if you are given, don't mind my drawing please, if you are given a triangle, you're given A, you're given B, you're given C. So these are the respective angles that you might be given. A would be given something, B would be given something, C would be given something. So the sum of all the angles A, B, C will always equal to 180. So another basic is sum of all the angles in a triangle would always be equal to 180. Very important concept, very important rule. You do have to remember this by heart. So you have to memorize this very well. So these were some of the basics that you do need to know. Other things, other basic concepts that would be coming, I would be explaining step by step. So we'll be doing all of that.